I work with textbook publishers to update their quiz banks when new editions of the textbook come out. So the content of the textbook changes, so the content of the test bank files has to change to reflect those changes. The test banks get delivered to me in the format that you see on the screen, a Word file with the questions from the old edition. Now, one thing about this is the numbers are using Word's automatic numbering. So if I click on the 1, you can see that all the numbers turn gray. That means that the 1 period tab, 2 period tab, 3 period tab are not actually stored in the file. They are added automatically by Word. And if you click on the A, you can see that the A period tab, B period tab, C period tab is also added by Word automatically. It's not saved as part of the file. This client wants the 1 period, 2 period, A period, B period saved in the file. So what they want is actually hard-coded numbers and not Word's automatic numbering. Now when you have a large file like this, converting it manually is tedious and time-consuming. So I have looked at ways to do the conversion automatically. And it turns out that there is an absolutely simple way to do it. To get started, I hold down the Alt key and press F11. That brings up the Visual Basic for Application window. This is where you write macros. We're not going to write a long macro like you see on the screen, but this is the window that you use. You can see down at the bottom there is a small window called Immediate, and that's the area that we're going to use. So we're going to type in a single command, active document dot convert, NUMBERS. You can see it suggests the one that I'm going to use, convert numbers to text. So I'll just click on it to accept it. And then I press enter. Since it's the immediate window, it applies that immediately to the file, the active document. And that's it. I'm done. Close out the window. Go back to the 1. And now you can see that the 1 is part of it. The A is part of it. The 2 is part of it. That's all there is to it. I have converted every single number in this document, no matter how long it is, no matter how complicated the numbering is, no matter what the numbering scheme is, or in this case, you can see I have 2 numbering schemes. Doesn't matter. It's all perfectly converted to having the numbers built into the Word file with that one single command. I hope you find this as useful as I do.